Take screenshot, children, okay? So next, this everything is very, very easy only. 41 squared, you can take like 40 plus 1, the whole squared, okay? Then use the formula a squared plus b squared plus 2ab. 40 squared plus 2 into 40 into 1 plus 1 squared. 40 squared 1600 plus 80 plus 1. So 1681 answer. 27 squared also, what you can take? 20 plus 7. 20 plus 7 or 30 minus 3 you can take. Both are same. 30 minus 3 the whole square. So a squared minus 2 into a into b plus b squared. So 900 minus 2 into 3, 6 3s are 18. 180 plus 9. So you will get 720 because we know 27 squared. So it is very easy only. Then 23 into 17. Here you need to use the formula x plus a into x plus b formula. So what you have taken? 20 plus 3 and 20 minus a. Yes, a plus b into a minus b easily. Yes, that will come. A square minus b. Correct. A plus b into a minus b will come because 20 plus 3 and 20 minus 3. So a squared minus b squared. So 20 squared is 400 minus 9. So that is equal to 391. Next, 135 squared. You can take in two ways. Either you can take 100 plus 35, okay, or you can take 100 plus 30 plus 5. 140 minus 5. 140 minus 5, okay. That is also easy only, 140 minus 5. So, and I used a squared plus b squared plus c squared, that formula. Yes, but 2ab, everything you need to take, na? So 140 minus 5, okay, that is easy. Because if you know 14 squared, it is easy. Because 140 means 14 into 14, 196, right? Then 0, 0, correct? Then plus 25 minus 2 into 5, 10. 10 into 140, 1400. Okay. So now 19600 minus 1400. 0, 0, 6 minus 4, 2, 9 minus 1, 8, this one, plus 25. So answer is 18225. That is 135 square. Okay. Any doubt in these questions, please tell. Very easy only, na? You already did, right, Alden? So you got the correct answer, see?
Yes, ma'am. I'm just checking it.
Yes, what, Fatin, you are going to tell something.
No, ma'am, nothing. I understood.
Understood. Okay.
So you before also gave some questions. We did it, so I know this like the formula.
Okay, very good. So 97, 100 minus 3, the whole square. So that is 1 followed by 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Then 3 to 6 minus 600 plus 9. Okay. So 10,000 minus 600 plus 9. You will get 9.
Yes, ma'am, I got it correct.
9409. Okay. Then the sixth question, 18 into 29. Okay. What you have taken? This is little, other than that, this is a little little bit, because everything we have taken like in the nearest tens, right? But this question with the nearest tens, we can't take like x plus a into x plus b or nothing like that. 10 plus 8, 20 plus 9, like that. If you take, it will be a very different one, na? So if you have a common thing, means 23 will be the common one. Okay, 23 minus 5, that is 18, correct? Same like that, 23 plus 6, that will be 29. So see, x plus a into x plus b form I can do. So that's the reason. Okay, any other method if you have done also, no problem. If you have done, let me know what method you used. Okay, so 23 minus 5 into 23 plus 6 means you will get what? 23 x squared. So 23 squared and then plus 23 into 6. 6 3s are 18. 6 2s are 12 plus 1, 13 minus 23 into 6 I did. Then minus 5 into 23. 5 3s are 15. 5 2s are 10 plus 1 11. Then minus 5 into 6 30. Okay, so 23 squared is what? 529, right? So 529. Then plus 138 minus 30 will be what? 108. 100 and
I use for this one?
x plus a, x minus a into x plus b.
That one only used.
Huh?
That one only used.
Because both of them same. Na? First term is same. The next term was different. So but here a plus b we want to do now.
That's what.
Correct only did. Yes, I did like this. A into x, b into x. Like that I did. Okay. Like that I did. That's why I got confused, I think. Otherwise, you can do on the other that one. Or like that also. Okay. See, what you told is 23 squared minus here a plus b. So 5 minus 5 plus 6 into 23, correct?
Into 5.
Minus 30. So 23 squared is 529. Then 6 minus 5 is 1. So it will become plus 23 minus 30. So it will be more easier. That's why she told. Okay, so that is correct. 529 plus 23 minus 30 is minus 7, right? Okay, so now 522 will be your answer. Correct, no?
Yeah.
Next, seventh one. What it is? 34 into 43. 34 into 43 also we can take like same 38 you can take. So 38 minus 4 into 38 plus 8 plus what is 43? 5 will come, right? So same logic you can use. So 38 squared, then plus 5 minus 4 into 38 minus 5 into 4. So that is 38 squared. 38 squared will be 1444. Then 5 minus 4, 1. So plus 38 minus 20. So that is equal to 38 minus 20 is what? 8. 3 minus 2, 1. So 1444 plus 18. 4 plus 8, 12. 1 plus 4, 5 plus 1, 6, 4, 1. 1462. Okay. Now last one. 205 square. That you can use 200 plus 5 the whole square. So that is equal to 200 squared plus 5 to 10, 2 20.
But if these numbers come in the middle and they cannot be near the 10, they're tens, we can use the middle number like 38, 37 and all.
Yes, here this 38, why we used is there is one more special in these cases, okay? Whatever cases we have taken. One is here 5 minus 6, 1. So it becomes very easy. Here also same, 5 minus 4 become 1. That's why it made the calculation very simpler and that's why we have taken this 38 actually. Understood in both the cases, but that and all with practice only. So you more you do, you by seeing 18 into 29 you will understand this is not only by logic, but if you practice same number only comes that time how you are applying. So these kind of questions only comes in the entrance exams. Okay, so some normal children will do in the normal way, they will not get correct fast. Other children will do this logic, they will able to do it faster. So this kind of numbers at least study. Okay, max also little bit study by heart also. Okay, here also same 5 2s are 10, 10 2s are 20. Then I have 20 followed by 2 zeros. Already in the 200 I have zeros now. That's why 2000 is coming plus 25. So 200 squared is 1 2 3 4 plus 2025. So that means I am getting like 2025. So 42025. Okay. So this full we have covered the this 8 questions I have done. If you have not done that questions, please copy now. Done. And this one both I will tell, because if you couldn't remember this 23 minus and all, no issues at all. You can either use in this case 20 minus 2 into 20 plus 9, and also you can do, okay. And 34 into 43 also you can use like 40 plus 3 and 40 minus 6 will be 34. No, that also you can use. That also will work. No issue. Clear? This is also correct. I have taken this because I told 6 minus 5, 1. 5 minus 4, 1. Like that. Okay. If you done direct multiplication like 23 into 5, 6 into 23, 5 into 23, I have done first like that. But if you know, you can able to do fast multiplication, then only you need to go for it. It will anyway take time. Okay. If you don't know Mendel max first. Otherwise, this is the easy method. Don't do like that. Separately multiplication will take your time. Okay, these 2 hacks you remember, okay, tricks. So this question 18 into 29, as I told, you can do like 20 minus 2 into 20 plus 9. Nah. So then also the same number only comes, right? So 20 into 20, 400. Then plus 9 minus 2 into 20 plus 9 into minus 2. Okay, so 400, 9 minus 2, 7, 7 2s are 14. So 140 minus 9 2s are 18. Okay, so 400 plus 140 is 540 minus 18. So it will be 522. Okay, like that also if you do, you will get correct answer only. Which question? The 6th one. And 7th one also same. You can do 34 into 43 as 40 minus 6 into 40 plus 3. So that will be 140 squared, then minus plus minus 6 plus 3 into 40 plus minus 6 into 3. So 1600 minus 6 plus 3 is minus 3 into 40. Minus 3 into 40 is minus 120. Minus 18. Okay, then also you will get 1462, right? 1462. 1600 minus 120 minus 18 is 8. Then 2 plus 1, 3. 1. So 10 minus 8, 2. 9 minus 3, 6. Then 5 minus 1, 4. Like that you can do. Clear? So this also take screenshot and keep.